Hi, my name is David Morrison, and I'm one of the founders of hibbittsautopro.com, a free software tool for automotive repair shops. Today I'm going to be giving a quick tutorial on how you can edit an existing customer's information. That includes their contact information such as their phone number or email address or address. There's two different ways that you can go about editing a customer's information. The first way is directly within a work order. We've made this quick and easy so that while you're working on the work order and you realize that there happens to be something wrong with the customer's information, you can go ahead and adjust it right there in the work order. So the first way I'll be going over is directly from the work order. So you want to make sure that you're on an active work order. This can be a new work order or an existing work order. For this example, I'm going to choose an existing work order. And I've got a customer here, but I see that their phone number is wrong. So I'm going to click on the Edit Customer button that's located right here within the Customer Information panel. A modal appears that contains all the information about this customer. I'm going to go ahead and make this adjustment here and click OK. And I see that the customer's record has been updated. This applies to anywhere this customer is being used, past, previous, or current work orders. And this is pretty much it. Nothing else to it from this perspective. Now the customer's information is updated here. There's a second way to update a customer's information, and that's directly from the customer details page. In order to navigate and find the customer details page, you want to be on the customers page. And you want to do a search, if necessary, to be able to find the customer that you're looking to adjust. In this case, Bill Pears has an active work order, so I see him on the very front here, easy to locate. And I click this button that says Customer Details. This page shows me all of the information that I have about this customer, their contact information, any vehicles associated with this customer, and in the future we'll be adding things like active work orders and products associated with this customer, customer notes, things like that. But for now, if I want to edit this customer's phone number, I realize that, oh, the 6 was correct, so I want to add that 6 back to this customer's record. I click OK. And now the customer's information has been updated, and I can see that on any work orders that are associated with this customer. I see that it's been updated right here, and I see that it's been updated right here. So those are the two ways that you can adjust an existing customer's information. Thank you so much for using our software. We are completely dependent upon you to let us know of any new features that need to be added, or if any of the existing features need to be modified to make them work better with your workflow. We're completely dependent upon you to let us know when something goes wrong with the software, so without you, we can't make this software better. And we appreciate your feedback. So whether it's positive or negative, we'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for using our software, and I hope you have a good day.